Hey everyone, I'm Anna Berry and this is Tulsa Living. Today I'm at Tulsa Welding School with campus president Shalisa Powell. Okay, I just found out this place has been here for over 70 years.
It has. We've been around since 1949, preparing students for skilled trade industries. We've got campuses in Houston, in Jacksonville, and over 500 students right here in Tulsa.
And you're not just about giving education, you're also about giving back to the community.
Absolutely. It's part of our mission. It's in line with what we do. We believe that in order to improve people's lives, that you need to work with them educationally and as well as their health and their living. So we're having a food drive to help with the community.
Great. Tell us about the food drive.
Absolutely. From now until December the 16th, you can drop off your non-perishable items right here on 11th Street at the campus. And those foods will be donated to the local community as well as some of our students here that may need it.
That's awesome. You heard it. Drop it off right here on the Mother Road. And I want to learn more about Tulsa Welding School, so we're going to speak with the Director of Training, Chris Schuler. Okay, Chris, tell us about your program here.
So our program here is 7 months long. Our professional welder class, we train in all major processes, MIG and flux core, TIG, stick, teach heavy on pipe welding, prepare the students for a lucrative career in the welding industry, entry-level positions. We also have an Associates of Welding Technology that prepares students for an inspection career, but they must go through the professional welder program first in order to go into the Associates class.
And for those folks who have a full-time job, you offer a weekend training.
Correct, yeah, we've just recently implemented a weekend shift. This was due to the need of students that have full-time jobs that may not be able to go to class Monday through Friday and need something a little bit more flexible. So we've opened up on Saturdays and Sundays.
That's awesome. Thank you so much, Chris, and you guys have been here for over 70 years.
Yes,
all right,
ma'am.
thank you all for watching Tulsa Living. I'm Anna Berry at the Tulsa Welding School.